Welcome to another video with www.balconywaterproofing.co.za. Today we're in Randburg looking at a balcony that's been waterproofed with a light colored tile. That's the guarantee. The light color reflects the heat of the sun, keeping the waterproofing cool so it doesn't expand and contract and prematurely age. This is how we get long guarantees. It also stops the slab expanding and contracting and causing a crack of the exterior house walls. As you can see in videos there, how the walls have cracked from the hot tiles. That's a terracotta balcony. So this balcony has got a circumferential crack as well, which runs through the outlet, and to reduce the fracturing, we want a light colored tile. In addition to that, we've got the waterproofing running through that outlet, thus that the water drips off the waterproofing and not off the pipe. When you marriage the waterproofing at the entrance to the pipe, it always delaminates because of the circumferential crack from hot tiles. If you would like your balcony to perform for longevity, give us a shout and we'll do a quotation for you. Make it a great day and follow us on further videos.